in the same manner. So,
I, Abdulkadir Zulkiflu,
do solemnly swear and affirm
do solemnly swear and affirm
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Capital Territory Administration,
to the Federal Capital Territory Administration,
Federal Republic of Nigeria,
Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that as the
Coordinator Satellite Town Development Department
of the Federal Capital Territory
of the
Administration,
Federal Capital Territory
I will
Administration,
discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law,
faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Federal Capital Territory Administration,
well-being and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Federal Capital Territory Administration.
That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives
That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives
and directive principles of state policy
of state policy
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct
Or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will abide by the code of conduct
That I will abide by the code of conduct
contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That in all circumstances,
and that in all circumstances,
I will do right to all manner of people,
I will do right to all manner of people,
according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as the
Coordinator Satellite Town Development Department
in the Federal Capital Territory Administration, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Federal Capital Territory. So help me God.
Coordinator, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all congratulate the Coordinator of Satellite Towns Development for your appointment by Mr. President. This is to you to contribute regarding the Renewed Hope agenda. It is a different thing to be appointed, it's another thing to be committed to see that they carry out the assignment. Most appointees are always carried away by the fact that they've got an appointment. And so for them to settle down becomes a problem. See it as that Mr. President finds you worthy to contribute at this point in time in national development, particularly as regards to the Federal Capital Territory Administration. This government's priority to make sure that all the satellite towns get impact of government. As we are doing now, right away, there's a lot of projects going on in the satellite towns. It is a business to coordinate and liaise and brief me the word emphasis and brief me as a minister. You are not sent there to just sit in your office and begin to negotiate with contractors. If I find out that, I will not hesitate to take necessary action. I cannot work in a situation where nobody talks about how to achieve results, how to make an impact in the opportunity that you are given. So many people are looking for this opportunity. So many people lobbied. In fact, at the time I began to ask, what is the coordinator for satellite town? What did they do? But people were lobbying, please make me coordinator. I can do this. I didn't understand. I didn't know that they have a lot of role, you know, when it concerns contract and this and that. So that I came to know. Mine is do your work. If you do your work, everybody will see that you are doing your work. I don't like praise singers. I don't like praise singers. Your action will speak for itself. So if now that FCT is seriously involved in the satellite towns, make sure that things are done very well. Also, in the cleaning of the satellite town, let me just say clearly, that's an area of fraud. That's where there's a lot of fraud. Because you don't even know whether they are cleaning the place. At the end of the month, they put in a paper to pay. The other day I was coming back from Kwale. I called the permanent secretary, area council. I said, look at the road, look at the whole refuse. If I didn't pass here now, by the end of the month, they will put paper, money, pay. So what we have done now was to make sure that all the area council chairmen are involved in vetting before payment is carried out. Now you are coming, you are a coordinator, so you make sure that these things are done very well before you send me any paper. So many people, too many things happen. People want to make money without doing the work. If you do the work, nobody is worried. But when the work is not done, then every time you want people to approve money, it's not going to work that way. It's not going to work that way. So the position you occupy is very, very important. Very, very important. Luckily, you know how to speak outside, so you can relate with them very well there. You know, you can relate with them and speak the language they will understand. So once more, congrats. And then head to your office before you go and eat whatever prepare. You go to your office and know at the office, then before you go home to go and celebrate with your people. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. We'll now take the minister.
I can't go down for the picture, so I'll get the picture here.